Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove app access to Google Drive. So as you can see right here, I'm on a Play Store. I just updated my Google Drive. And when you open your Google Drive right here, so as you can see all the files that access on the Google Drive. And all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on manage your Google account. Then you have just to wait for a few seconds until it loads right here. And you can have an options right here. You have a personal info, data and privacy, but I want you to go here on security. And when you scroll down, you will find all the apps that access to your Google Drive. When you see this one, your connections to third-party apps and services. So you just go right here and tap the see all connections. So you will find here all the apps that has an access on your Google Drive. So for example, if you want to remove app, so for example, I want to choose this Cheeky Play PC games right here. And then all you need to do is tap this delete all connections you have with Cheeky Play PC games. So tap that one and tap this confirm button to confirm your action. So when you tap this one, it will automatically remove that access to your Google Drive. So you can do that in all the apps that you want to access or remove access from this Google Drive. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.